see the idiot yet. Don't worry, you soon will.
Stay tuned, we've got to go for a quick break. We've got Dean Ashton coming up, we've got Chesney Hawkes coming up as well. We have a brilliant show. It's almost 9 o'clock, so we've got a whole more hour to talk all things football, including England taking on Wales tonight. It is the big one. It's a 7 o'clock kickoff, and of course we've got you covered on TalkSport 8:57.
TalkSport breakfast with Arnold Clark.
57.
TalkSport breakfast with Arnold Clark rewards.
Fucking
5
hell.
customers win the cost of their car every.
What is going on?
Did you hear that?
I didn't even see him.
Christmas and the World Cup colliding. So come on, St George's cross those sprouts, knit your kits, stuff those turkeys.
What's he doing now?
Attack those carols. It's the World Cup with all the trimmings. From this day on, we will forever ask, where were you in 22? Come on! Celebrate with a free bed builder on Wales v England. Paddy Power.
That's as fast as a motorbike. Surely they got to stop this.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. It's TalkSport breakfast with Arnold Clark. Click and collect your next car.
How is that down the road like this?
Okay, so Jenny is here and Nick is here with your news and sport.
Well, thank you. Is a lack of alcohol a factor in fan behaviour?
Just as well, no one wants to turn right into that road, isn't it?
The UK's lead on football policing says he believes the good behaviour of England and Wales.
Oh, look at that sign up there. 7.5 tonne. Not allowed down the road.
Constable Mark Roberts says there have been no arrests or incidents involving British fans at the tournament, and he wants
Or
to
sorry, up to 7.5 tonne
restrictions on drinking at
in that road.
By the time
Anything over 7.5 tonne is not allowed down that road.
British fans are towing the
Look at the size of that. I think that's over 7.5 tonne.
Shop in-store at B&Q or at tradepoint.co.uk and get all you need when you need it.
What are you doing?
Apply for full details, visit TradePoint.
Thank you for waiting, but there was room enough for both of us there.
In the Ancestry DNA cyber sale and discover the people, places and journeys.
I felt like I miss, obviously watching West Ham. Deckers is always the one that will take it from the midfield and just do those
Bloody
surgery
hell,
runs,
mate, yeah?
And of course,
What is that?
To do that really
Oh, and the roundabout as well.
kind of miss,
Quality bit of driving.
Do a little bit more of that. Would you make any changes for your team tonight? I mean, you're obviously capable. And I would play all those.
Educating me now on the pronunciation of your country. So, yeah, it's a process. I think as long as you see progress, that's the most important thing.
That was Tyler Adams. Alex, I'll come to you in a sec. Simon, that was a football press conference at a World Cup. Yep. Where's your mind with this morning when you listen to that kind of line of questioning? Well, you know my view. That I'm not wanting
There's the Range Rover.
this kind of discourse.
Going all the way up to the front.
And it's been building, and the toxicity of it is getting worse. And it was always going to.
With the daily roundup on TalkSport with Carla. Strap yourselves in. Get the latest results, post-match reviews, big name interviews, and passionate fan reaction in one essential daily dispatch.
Jesus.
TalkSport.
The hell is that?
Get your mates together and enjoy the match with Carling. Carling, we're made by our mates.
England versus Wales is live on TalkSport from 5 p.m. And James Anderson says England's cricketers have learnt to cope without a regular fast bowling coach. He's enjoyed taking on a mentoring role.
It's happened for a few years now in the test team in particular.
Not
where
once does she look.
but we do
She's
look after each other and
walked
try
her
and-
child out,
we've
and
got
not once
great
did she
analysts,
look.
We've got other coaches around us. We've got some of the best captains that the world's ever seen in our group.
In this clip here, I want the next exit. I'm just waiting for that slip road to finish before I start moving over. But someone else wants the same exit as me. Can you guess which one? And is that enough braking distance at nearly 70? We're back on the Mad Mile here. Seriously, this is what it's called, the Mad Mile. Two cars out on the right hand side there, shouldn't be there, but it don't excuse the Audi for trying to undertake. And if you look at the white car, just before it starts to indicate, it starts to move to the left. See it? That, God knows what the van was doing. That is why you shouldn't undertake. Some people don't look.
Undertaking arseholes.
In Qatar, we expect them to
Cause
put
havoc.
a show for everybody travelling over and roll out the red carpet.
That's why you shouldn't undertake. That's why you shouldn't be out in the outside lane as well, though.
Now that is not great cornering, and it's a professional driver, apparently. And this one turning the corner with her phone in her hand, have a nice little conversation.
If I was going to ask you, you know, when you're away
Put the
for a
phone
long time,
down.
what do the
Put
players
the
do
phone
in between
down.
the games and, you know, after training's finished?
What is wrong with these people?
That's the main thing, because it does get a
I
bit.
was going to ask you, you know, when you're away
Put the
for a long
phone
time,
down.
what do the
Put
players
the
do?
You can just about see it in her hand.
phone down.
You know, after training's finished.
What is wrong with these people?
That's the main thing.
Now this clip here, this bus in front of me here, should he have gone? He's got giveaway lines there. It's a one-way system. Should he have just waited? It didn't really affect me, but I don't think he was going to stop anyway.
At least you'll be able to watch those Enrique twitching. Not as in like physically twitching, just streaming.
Or players that you're buying, then you take it, and they will take it. I think that it's clever, because obviously what you don't want to do is advertise
Now obviously I can see that it's a right turn only lane,
to the world that you have to play it too, rather
and
than
so can most of the other cars there, because we're all over to the left. But I don't expect the BMW driver to notice that sort of thing.
got Quincas centre half.
Why are you turning right?
They've got cover up for Wilson now with Isak. He's going to be back, and he's a terrific talent.
No,
They've got
of
some
course
big
he's
moments.
not.
Been on the bench for weeks now because of the quality of
Push straight in. Typical BMW.
So they've got some strength and depth in forward area.
So you think they'll stick to the same?
Maybe
kind
them
of
arrows
recruit as
wasn't
kind of Dan
not
Barr
big enough for him.
target type recruit?
No, I'd probably
Now this one here is a bit of a weird turning. There's a car coming towards us that wants to go in there, into the school. But as you can see, there's a right turn lane for us here. I don't know the wrong or the right way of actually doing this. Because it's obviously got to go into oncoming traffic to turn right there. And there's no sign saying that you can't turn right there. Imagine coming down here with a wheelchair or a pram or just kids and coming across parking like that. Shocking.
For us, the team is the star. That's what everybody knows. We have.
Serious. How about I pay for the starters?
Hey, chill. It's Black Friday, and BT are going to split the bill. Get 6 months of half-price BT Superfast Fibre.
I ain't letting you go, mate, am I? If you want to do a U-turn there, that's down to you. I'm not letting you go. Not doing that shit.
And I'm pleased to say the guy behind me didn't let him go neither.
I ain't letting you go, mate, am I? If you want to do a U-turn there, that's down to you. I'm not letting you go. Not doing that shit.
Serious question here. Why have some traffic lights got a delay on them? The traffic coming towards us, their green light starts before ours. Just a few seconds. Which creates that? A van pulling across us. If anyone knows the real reason for that, is there a reason for it, or is it just badly timed traffic lights?
There is a pavement. Don't move though, will ya? Don't move over.
As I come round this corner, this skip lorry is in the right-hand lane. But he doesn't want the right-hand lane, so he moves over to the middle. He doesn't want the middle neither. He wants my lane. All without no indication. Now, he's loaded up. Surely he must know where his dump is to dump that stuff.
Oh look, another one that can't get in the right lane there.
As you can see, this is a teeny little country lane. It amazes me how people drive around these bends. Can't see anything. Camera doesn't really do it justice, but there's no edging round the corner, just straight through. Here's another set of lights with a delay on. We've got a right turn and a straight on. The straight on goes a few seconds before the right. Why? There's no other traffic coming from anywhere else. Why is that delay on there? If anyone really knows the answer to that, I'd love to know in the comments, please.
Again, what was the point of the delay?
But absolutely horrendous. Hopefully we don't see any of that this weekend as Argentina face Australia, France take on Poland in the last 16. We'll have those games for you, of course, across the TalkSport network, and we will continue our build up to Croatia against Belgium live here coming up next. For now, though, that was a roundup of the latest World Cup action with Carling. We're made by our mates 18+. Please drink responsibly. Daily roundup on TalkSport.
And of course, what really worked for them in that first game was that the game
Here we have a filter light, as you can see up there, and a pedestrian that I have no idea why she's looking the wrong way. Why are you stepping out looking the wrong way? Now I've got a green light and she's going
that way. Look this way.
But not once does she look this way. She's looking the other way first. Ugh.